In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a menu in WordPress, then assign it to a menu location. Whether you're setting up a new site or refining an existing one, organizing your navigation menu is key to making your website user-friendly and professional. Today, we'll walk through the process step by step, covering everything from logging in to WordPress to adding submenus and reviewing your final setup. If you're ready to take control of your site's menu structure, let's get started. If you don't already have a WordPress account, you'll find the link in the description below to get started. First things first, let's log into WordPress. To do this, head over to the WordPress website by entering www.wordpress.com into your browser. Once you're there, look for the login button in the top right corner of the page and click on it. This is where the authentication process begins. Now, instead of manually entering your login credentials, I recommend choosing the Continue with Google option. This method is not only faster, but also provides a secure way to log in. From here, simply select the Google account you want to use, and just like that, you're logged into your WordPress dashboard. Now that you're logged in, let's move on to accessing the site editor. After logging in, locate the Quick Links section on your dashboard. It's usually easy to spot, and within this section, you'll see an option labeled Edit Site. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you right to the tools you need for customizing your website. Next, you'll need to select the specific website project you want to work on, especially if you manage multiple sites under the same account. Once you've chosen your project, you'll be ready to dive into editing your site. Next, let's locate the navigation section of your site. Within the site editor, you'll see various sections and tools, but for now, focus on finding the navigation section. This is the area where all your menu items are managed. Click on Navigation, and this will display the primary structure of your website's menu. This view gives you a clear layout of your existing menu and allows you to make adjustments. Let's talk about editing the menu itself. Once you're in the navigation section, look for the three dots icon. This represents additional options for customization. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select Edit. This will open up the tools you need to customize your menu structure. It's here where you can rearrange items, remove any unnecessary links, or prepare to add new pages and submenus. Now let's add some pages to your menu. To do this, simply add the page you want from your site to your navigation list. Adding pages to the menu is an essential step in designing your website structure, as it allows visitors to easily access the most important parts of your site. You'll see a list of all available pages within your site. From this list, click on the specific page you'd like to include in your menu. By selecting it here, you ensure that it's part of your main navigation and accessible to visitors. Once you've added pages, you may want to create submenus for better organization. Here's how. Start by clicking on the page entry you just added to your menu. This will reveal further options from here. Locate and click on the Add Submenu icon. Adding submenus is a great way to group related pages or create subcategories under a main menu item. For example, if your main menu item is Services, you could add submenu items like Web Design or SEO. Once you've clicked the icon, select the page you want to add as a submenu. This creates a hierarchical structure within your menu, making navigation intuitive for your visitors. And now for the final step. Reviewing your navigation menu. Once you've added all the pages and submenus, take a moment to carefully review your work. Look over the navigation structure to make sure everything is in the right place and that all the links work as intended. This final review ensures your site is polished and user-friendly before you publish any changes. And that's how you create and customize a menu in WordPress, complete with pages and submenus. With these steps, you now have the tools to organize your site's navigation to suit your needs. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, feel free to leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.